Hello everyone, how you all are doing? I really hope you all are doing well and safe, and if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing and press the bell button next to it so that you will be notified every time I put up a new video. And if you don't know me guys, hi, my name is Sabah and I make videos related to fashion, lifestyle and product reviews, and if you like what you see so far, then please be my virtual family by subscribing the red subscribe button. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to share my review on the Maybelline Master Prime Mattifying Primer, and I have bought this primer in like Republic Day sale from Nykaa, and you must have seen this product on my Nykaa haul, and it's been like 1.5 months now, and I have tried it for almost 20-25 times because of my shoe. And in today's video I'm going to share each and every detail of this product, so if you are interested in knowing this product, then please keep on watching. So guys, the reason why I bought this specific primer is because this primer is specially made for oily skin people, and I have like a oily skin, so this is the first reason why I bought this primer. And the second reason why I bought this one is because this primer is the first sebum absorbing primer for fresh and glowy or natural skin. So yeah, this is the two reasons why I bought this one. And why I need the primer is because I have like a lot of open pores which I wanted to shrink, and yeah, this is the third and the last reason why I actually need the primer. So guys, this product came in this kind of packaging. So it came in this box which looks something like this. So it's in like silver, gray and black color, and I love the color combination. And inside it you are getting this tube. So this is what the real product looks like. So it came in this tube. So guys, this product claims that it is gonna give you like a mattifying look, and it is also the first sebum absorbing primer. And what happens with oily skin people, we tend to produce a lot of sebum, which you can clearly see in the form of oil, and yeah, it is gonna absorb that oil. So yeah guys, we are gonna judge this product on these two claims, and let's see it is gonna stand out on its claim or not. So guys, this is what the product looks like. So it looks like a cream. It is like a white cream, and the texture is also same. It is like a creamy texture. And guys, what you have to do, you have to blend it outward to achieve the fresh and natural look, and it just absorb into your skin, and it will give you like a velvety and matte look. So guys, I have used this product for over 25 times and I am not at all happy with this product. So this product claims that it is #1 sebum absorbing primer, and you can clearly see it does not stand out on its claim. I have a lot of sebum on my face right now after applying this product. So yeah, it clearly does not stand out on its claim. And the #2 claim is it is gonna give you like a mattifying look, which it clearly does, but after like 1 hour or 2 hours you will have a oily face. And guys, what a normal primer does to everyone is to shrink pores, and it clearly does not shrink any of my pores at all. So it is a thumbs down from my side. And guys, what this product clearly does, it will give you like a moisturized matte look, and this is how I use this product because I bought it and I need to finish this anyway. So whenever I step out, I just apply this product, and it will give me like a matte moisturized look, and this is how I use this product. So guys, this product is complete fail. It does nothing at all, and I'm not at all happy with this one. And there's a lot of options available in the market which does wonders as a primer, so check that one out, but this one is complete failure. Don't go for it. So yeah guys, this is all the information I have for you all, and I really hope you like this video. And if you really did, then please give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you super soon in my next one. Till then, y'all stay happy. Bye bye.